Want to know how to create a thumbnail using TubeBuddy in YouTube? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and in a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your YouTube Studio and make sure you are under the Contents tab right here. And you can just simply open up any video or just simply towards the drop down and then select Thumbnail Generator. So you can just simply right click on it and then open up on a new tab or just simply directly open it up. Now here you can just simply create a thumbnail easily. So you can just simply see still frame video, solid color and image or existing thumbnail. So you can just simply select any one of these. So let's say I'm just going to make this. Just simply select continue and now just simply add layers. You can show grids, hide grids, and you can also add text, images, etc. Select this right here, select continue, and then you can just simply preview it and then select save and publish. And once that is done, you can just simply publish the thumbnail and it should work right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and remain with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.